What makes IAM Robotics unique is that we're the only ones with a mobile robot that is capable of actually doing the task that a person would have to do, of walking around the warehouse and actually grabbing physical items off of a shelf. The problem is that e-commerce is growing, consumers continue to spend more money online, and that's putting a strain for more and more people to do the work in material handling for e-commerce. Our customers or prospective customers are looking to automate to both reduce costs, but also to alleviate this manual labor shortage.
Obviously, Amazon is building their own in-house. They bought Kiva back in 2012. Is your clientele largely smaller e-commerce sites? Are those the sorts of people who are looking for a system like this?
The cool thing about robots is that you don't have to be a gigantic player or have a massive multi-billion-dollar warehouse to automate. Because they do more of the full task of what a person would do, they're able to provide that value at a lower price point without having to build in a lot of special infrastructure.
But the goal for you is to have a kind of a one-size-fits-all approach that all of these different companies can just kind of pluck one off the shelf and deploy it? We're going to be expanding the breadth of what we can handle over time, but we're also looking at broader applications like what we call bin handling. In that case, we just store everything in the warehouse in bins, and the robots go and retrieve those bins and move them to a conveyor, and take bins from a conveyor and move them to the shelf. And so now anything that you can put in a box or a bin can be handled or effectively automated with our robots.